Hello. Give us your license.
Yeah.
You got it? How are you feeling?
Good.
This is Juliusz, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
He was named after Caesar, weren't you?
Was, yeah.
Tell him what you do, sir.
What do you mean?
Where do you work?
I work at Little right now.
What do you do there?
Everything really.
All sorts.
Everything, all sorts, yeah.
That picture looks like you.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
Have you got that on silent?
Yes, I just put it in there, yeah.
Right, get yourself ready then. Now, when you do this test, you want me to come with you or not? Choice is yours. If you feel better with me at the test centre, I will sit at the test centre. If you feel better with me in the car, I will sit in the car.
Yeah, I think you can wait if you want, yeah.
Wait where?
Yeah, in the test centre, yeah.
Yeah, whatever's best for you. Now, we'll see her at the end. You want your trainer present for the debrief. We'll see at the start. Say yes, yeah?
Pardon?
You said you want your trainer there at the end.
Alright,
The debrief. So whether you passed or failed, I need to listen.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So you said you want me there, say yes.
Yes, yeah.
He's a pretty decent driver, this guy. He's got the right attitude. Should be a safe driver. He didn't have that many bad habits when I met him, did you?
No, not too many, no.
There was a few though, wasn't there?
There was a few, yes, but...
I've heard of a new... Now when you get in the car with the exam now, put your license and the keys in there. Have you got that?
Where is it?
License and the keys.
Just in there, yeah?
In the cup holder.
Right.
Right, wait a minute. What was I going to say? You know how to do Thinford, don't you?
Thinford? Yeah.
Yep.
Like the roundabout, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Third exit. Yes. That one. Bishop Auckland 688.
So, to go third exit, yeah?
Yeah.
Go from the right.
Good. What's that one signposted? Fourth exit?
Yeah, fourth exit. So
what's it signposted?
Durham.
Durham Gate. We're going for Bishop Auckland. That's the one we've always done, haven't we?
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Right, so tell me what you do if you go for Bishop Auckland. Which lane do you pick?
Bishop.
688.
Bishop, you would on the third one.
What?
No, sorry, fourth one, yeah. I did see it before, right one, yeah.
Right, so that one, do you agree?
Yeah, right one, yeah, because then you go.
Now where'd you go?
So you would go in this one?
Yes.
And then you would pick the left one there.
Right, now we're going to do Durham Gate today. So I never took you that way before, so you're going to pick the right lane?
Yeah, then stay in the right lane.
You're going to go there, now tell me where you go now.
Then I would go either in the left or the one next to it.
You would go straight to the left. You now have the choice of 4 lanes.
Oh, sorry, yeah, that one, yeah.
So I want you, we've always done this one.
That one's Durham.
That one's Durham Gate.
Yeah.
So I want you to come over here. Got it?
Yeah, got it. That one.
So he could get you to go right Bishop Auckland, which you go from there.
And then that one there.
If you go on Durham Gate, you go that one. I've never done it with you, but I have heard it go that way, so let's go and get it done. No serious balls. We've got him for an hour and 15 minutes. I came early for him. Turn that noise off. Hopefully we'll get a good drive out and then make a prediction, yeah?
Yes, yeah. And then is that all set up as well, yeah?
Yeah, it's all set up.
Yeah. Thank you. Right. Let's do it.
You'll drive well. And then leave your best bits in. Did your girlfriend wish you good luck?
She did, yeah.
So just out of curiosity, why did you look when he's in the back of the car for? Would it put you off?
Yeah, I think so.
Why? Pull up in the safe place, please.
On the left, yeah?
Please, yeah.
Of course.
You're not feeling the nerves, are you?
A little bit.
Give over. You're a man. You're a man of steel, aren't you?
Yeah, man.
I'm the one that gets nervous, not you. I'll be sweating before long. I'll be sweating like a lunatic.
I'm already sweating. I need to take this off.
Hmm?
I'm already sweating. I need to take this off.
You'll be sweating with the examiner.
I will be, yeah.
The beasts.
Can I?
I'm just thinking that's the one, so well done. Nicely done, sir. A bit rushed, but
Yep. Thank you.
back it out to the right, sir.
Yeah.
I hate reversing that when this car's there, do you?
Yeah.
Can't see much. Stop changing gear like that, please. You're gonna go in the wrong gear. You must be feeling the nerves now, sir.
I've never changed gears like that as well. It's just, I don't know.
Don't change gear like that. You'll get the wrong gear. Trust me. Rest those feet. Dude, stop steering like a lunatic. Watch 53rd. Not. Have you got that?
I've got it, yeah.
Do 53rd. Just go down and up. Yeah, and stop doing this with the steering wheel. You got that? Right, we're good. Is there anything you want to do again? Happy with the emergency stop?
I'm pretty happy now, yeah.
Did you see that last one you done? It was a really good standard.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, turn left, turn right, sorry.
Turn right, yeah.
And then turn left and then go and reverses into a bay. Oh, in early. Reverses into that disabled one. Have you got it?
Yes. So, am I going to get in here?
I don't know. So I'll leave it up to you. You'll have to improvise, sir. Turn that duff noise off. What's the matter?
No.
Don't rush, man. Just take your time, sir. Jesus. I am. That was the examiner.
That was an examiner?
Yeah, he's watching you. Stop staring at it. Have a look over your left shoulder. You learners never look over your left shoulder. Put a bit right hand down for us. Right hand down.
Right hand?
Right hand down. Just come a little bit further over.
Yeah.
Keep going. That's it, then straighten up. Quickly. Lovely, sir. Well done. That'll do.
Yeah. Okay.
You're doing well. Well done.
It was a tough one, to be fair.
It was. Now it's time to wish Juliusz the best of luck. Give us a prediction, sir.
Pass.
How many falls?
5.
Oh shoot, there's no battery. How many falls you going for?
5.
He's pretty good driver. He's had a serious fault today. What was it for?
It was for stopping at the junction.
Right opposite the junction.
Yeah.
He's a good driver.
Other than that, I think it was no serious, right?
He's been changing gear like a bad-tempered builder, haven't you? Ragging the life out of it. So we're going to go for the normal 3. I think he can do it. First time 3 driver fault, sir. Have you got that?
Yeah.
Now I want you to stay cool. Okay? You said you want your trainer to come with you. Say no. Do you want them there at the end? Say yes. Have you got that?
Yeah, to come with no, and then at the end, yes.
Now I'm going to wish the very best of luck. Come on, Julius. Where's your license gone? There it is. Now you stay nice and calm. There you go.
Thank you.
You want them, and you want them. Good luck, sir. Oh, let's go and make the exam. Stay calm. You got that? Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done, young man.
Well, it's a pass. I told you, Ken. I told you I wouldn't disappoint you. See, the ride before we started, that was just to get some, just to get some tension going,
Tell them what the faults were for. Get your phone out. You'll have the email.
Oh, it's on your. Oh no, wait, never mind. You gave me it. Sorry.
You got one for checking his mirrors late when leaving the roundabout, which you don't normally do, to be fair. Got it?
Yeah, use of mirrors.
Yeah, what was your other?
So that was 2 of them was because of use of mirrors.
Yes, leaving it late to check,
Use of mirrors, change speed.
So yeah, you've had to brake quite heavy, not check your middle mirror, or you've gone from a 30 to a 40 or a 40 to a 60. Looking, which you normally do, don't you?
I do, yeah.
What was the other one?
And the last one was reverse parking, and it was observation. Which, to be fair, I think I did pretty well.
Was it parallel park?
No, it was reverse. It was bay park, yeah.
Oh, well done, young man. Well done.
Thank you. Well, I predicted 5, but
well, I got 3, so we're stuck. One in each. It's a draw.
It's a draw. It's a safe one. Right in the middle draw.
Right, well done,
sir. Anyway, thank you.
Well done. Now you drive safely, yeah?
Yeah, will do, yeah.
I've enjoyed your lessons. Good stuff.
Thank you, sir.
If I send you a link, will you do a little review and go?
Oh, don't worry about it.
Thank you very much, Julius. See you later, mate.
Sir. See you later.
Thanks. Ta-ra. Bye. What a nice guy he is. You can tell he's going to be a safe driver, that one.